Northern Colorado Indian Motorcycle Riders Group, Vern's Breakfast Ride, March 27, 2022. Members of the Northern Colorado IMRG met at Vern's Place in LaPorte for breakfast before heading out on the day's ride. The original Vern's Place was started in 1946 by brothers Willard and Vern. The restaurant was destroyed by a fire in 1990, but was rebuilt and reopened a year later, and then remodeled once again in 2015. Vern's attracts locals, ranchers and farmers, and cyclists and bikers cruising the canyon. After a very delicious breakfast, we had a brief pre-ride meeting before heading out. For this ride, we traveled around Horsetooth Reservoir and Carter Lake, and then up to Loveland where the ride ended at the Dairy Delight. The road officers for this group ride were Rambo, Lead, and Dan, Sweep. It was a great day to ride, seek, and explore with friends. Just a short ride from Vern's, we arrive at Horsetooth Reservoir. Horsetooth is absolutely beautiful with its 25 miles of shoreline. There is always that anticipation of getting the first glimpse of the lake as you round the bends of the surrounding road. As we leave Horsetooth, we begin our journey toward Carter Lake. Along the way, we will first pass through Masonville, an unincorporated community in Larimer County located just southwest of Horsetooth in the foothills. We ride around the beautiful and peaceful area of the Loveland Water Storage Reservoir and the Sulzer Gulch Valley. This will take us to Highway 34, where we will cross and head to Carter Lake, located just ahead. As we approached Carter Lake, we encountered a Corvette car club riding down the road and were treated to an impromptu car show. It was an awesome sight to see these cars ride past us. Carter Lake is a 1,100-acre reservoir constructed in the 1950s, and supplies the Denver metro area. The reservoir is almost 3 miles long and 1 mile wide. Popular activities at this lake include fishing, sailing, water skiing, swimming, and scuba diving. Carter Lake is surrounded by 1,000 acres of public lands, including the Roosevelt National Forest. While riding around Carter Lake, we encountered quite a few fellow bikers out enjoying the day. After riding around Carter Lake, we headed to Loveland. We ended the ride at the Dairy Delight, which wasn't open yet for the season. We hung out in the parking lot and socialized for a while before heading our separate ways. This was the second ride of the Northern Colorado IMRG 2022 riding season, and was lots of fun with a delicious breakfast at Vern's, hanging out with great company, and taking an enjoyable group ride around the lakes. It didn't get quite as warm as originally forecasted, but nonetheless it was a good day to ride, seek, and explore.